Hello kids. First learn the colors. This is pink color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color, yellow color, chocolate color and orange color. Now let's learn the numbers. 1 blue color, 1 blue color, 2 orange color, 2 orange color, 3 green color, 3 green color, 4 red color, 4 red color, 5 pink color, 5 pink color, 6 blue color, 6 blue color, 7 orange color, 7 orange color, 8 green color, 8 green color, 9 red color, 9 red color, and 10 pink color, 10 pink color. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.